Hello and welcome everybody. Humble stock on 26th November. So let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's start. So according to what we see here, this is going to be referring for us the price that would actually be on the side. Since the decrease would be here on here, this will be the increase. So I think it is going to be about the price that had Humbl stock reached since it was in 2021 here and so on. Then will be done on 2022. Maybe if we can reach on, or maybe if we can reach in 2023, this would happen, and then this will return back. Maybe it would rise again and the population would increase on the side. That's what can I say in this price prediction news today.